Hello everyone, welcome to Vencru. Vencru is an invoicing, inventory management, and accounting software for businesses. Today, I will show you how to add a client. First, click on the Create New button. Select Client. Fill in the details of your client. The first name and last names are very important. The rest are optional. You can add a billing address, a shipping address. You could also add a private note that will help you in your relationship with your customer. This note does not show up on the invoices you create or reports for this particular customer. Click on Save Customer, and there you have it. The customer has been created.